Hi kids, before we start our lessons, I want you to prepare your math notebook and pencil. Later you can pause the video and write in your notebook. Anyway, thank you so much for those who finished the homework and exercise. Today we are gonna jump to the next topic of our session. As you see on the screen, we have line of symmetry. To understand what symmetry is, let's see the triangle. It's a triangle in which two of its sides are equal. Now let me give you an easy task. You need to think if we can divide this triangle into two parts such that both the parts match exactly when they are folded along a line. How would you divide the triangle if this condition has to be satisfied? Fold it along a line such that both parts form match exactly. Please pause the video and please do it. It's easy, and I'm sure most of you would have got it right. If I draw a line like this, yes, it's a vertical line which divides the triangle into two parts, which match exactly when folded along the line. If the part on the right it is taken over the left, we see that they overlap exactly. And that is why this shape is said to be symmetrical. The two parts match exactly when folded along a line. Now let me give you another figure. I draw the triangle this way and ask you the same question. How would you divide the triangle into two parts such that both the parts match exactly when they are folded along a line? Yes, we can draw a horizontal line like this. We can get two parts which match exactly. When one is folded or flip, it overlaps exactly over the other. Both these lines we see here are called line of symmetry. This triangle has a vertical axis of symmetry. This triangle has a horizontal axis of symmetry. Now, I want you to think about the next question. I'm going to ask you. Can a shape have more than one line of symmetry? Can it be? If you look at just these two triangles, you must probably say no, because there is no other line which can divide these triangles into two parts that match exactly. But the correct answer is that a shape can have more than one line of symmetry. Look at this triangle. This rectangle. These two parallel sides are equal. And these two parallel sides are equal and has right angles for right angles and 90 degrees. It will have horizontal axis of symmetry like this. Like this. And when one part is flipped over, it will overlap exactly with the other. And it will also have vertical symmetry like this. This is vertical and horizontal. Flip this part and we see the perfect overlap. So, a rectangle has a horizontal as well as vertical line of symmetry. But wait, some of us may be wondering if the diagonal are also the axis of symmetry. Let's say we have a diagonal like this, the green line. This is called diagonal. So you can see that folding it along the diagonal does not give us exactly the same part. You can try this with a page from your notebook, like this. Try and fold it along the diagonal, and you will see that the parts do not overlap exactly. Okay, here is another question for you. Can a figure have more than two axes of symmetry? If yes, then which figure? Again, the answer is yes. Take an example of square. All these sides are equal and all four angles are right angles. It has the horizontal as well as vertical axis of symmetry, just like the rectangle, but for a square, two diagonals will also be axis of symmetry, like this. So a square has four axes of symmetry: horizontal, vertical, and two diagonals. More than four. What if we have a figure like a regular hexagon? A regular hexagon, how many axes of symmetry? A regular hexagon is a closed figure with 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. How many axes of symmetry does a regular hexagon have? Please pause the video and try to arrive at a correct answer. Okay, let's see. A regular hexagon has 6 axes of symmetry, 6 lines of symmetry. And a circle, on the other hand, has infinity axes of symmetry. No matter how we draw the lines passing through the center, the two parts formed will always fold perfectly along that line. Did you know nature loves symmetry? The best example of symmetry in the nature would be that of a human face. Like this. It has a vertical axis of symmetry. What we saw in this video is reflectional symmetry. If one part is kept against a mirror, if the reflection will give us the other part, let's say we keep half a hexagon on this side of the mirror, its reflection will give us the other half. It is called reflectional symmetry. As you see on the screen, we have symmetry lines. And also these examples, multiple lines of symmetry also. And so today what we learned, the line of symmetry is also called the mirror line or refractional line or axis of symmetry. A circle has infinity lines of symmetry. So thank you so much today. See you next time. Bye bye.